Are you ready to sing? Today we are unboxing the myFirst Voice 2. This is the ultimate party machine for kids, a speaker and mic combo. Here we get paperwork, USB Type-C, fun stickers, and the Voice 2 speaker and microphone. This makes story time so much fun with different voice filters and echo. The speaker is surprisingly powerful, with enhanced bass so you can feel your favorite music. You can wirelessly sync to your phone or any device, hook up to the aux cord, or insert a micro SD card full of your music. Just hold the power button to turn on, and it'll go into pairing mode.
Get started. Wireless music. Pairing.
It will automatically pair with the microphone when it is turned on, and you can pair it with your device in the Bluetooth settings like any other Bluetooth device. The whole package is small, light, and portable, making road trips with the kids fun and easy. Your kids will love playing around with the 5 different voices programmed in.
La 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 la.
The Voice 2 is the best.